Hey guys, how you doing? Jim Fox. I'm getting up here early in the morning. I'm going to work for a couple hours on the internet to make some money. But I just want to show you this little video. These are my neighbors. I hang out with them every morning. We have coffee together, we talk. And the cool thing is they don't talk back. These are my best friends in the world. I want to show you who they are because they don't talk back. You see if you can see them right here. They're my family of iguanas where I live on the Caribbean Ocean in the beach. There's 3 of them if you can see them. There's my buddy right there. There's the big one. There's the big one over there. You got a smaller one right here. See? I hang out with these guys every day. And I tell them stories, and they offer me really good advice. They're really cool to hang out with. Okay? There we go. There's the little one. There's the big one. All right? So, hey, if you would like to learn how to travel the world and hang out with iguanas every morning. In fact, there's another one over here. Let me show you this one. Here we go. Oh, there's a big one. There's another one. There we go. Hey, buddy. Here's I think this is the mama. There's another one. There's another one. He's not moving. All right, there you go, hanging out. I'm going to have some coffee with my iguanas. All right. If you would like to learn how to travel the world, have fun, live in a tropical paradise, and actually do it, not for free, but it is kind of free. I can show you how to make money on the internet with Amazon.com. And Amazon, the money you make pays for all of your travel around the world. I don't spend any of my money. I don't invest any of my money on travel. The money I make with Amazon.com gives me the money to travel, guys. I've been to over 18 countries in the last year. I'm going to go to another probably 20 or 30 in the next 2 years. I want to go to every country in this world. And I'm able to do it because I make income on the internet 2 ways. Number 1, with Amazon. Number 2, with online consulting. And actually, there's a 3rd way with another big company out there in Asia called Alibaba and AliExpress. I just run ads all over Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Tinder. I run ads where men and women want to buy stuff, right? I run ads in places you will be shocked, where hundreds and hundreds of people every day click on them and go buy things, and I get paid a commission. It's automated money. It comes in automatically. I check my account 3 times a day on how much money I made. And sometimes we have $10,000 days. $10,000 in one day. If you would like to learn how to do that, read the ad above. Click on one of the links. Go to newwealthgenerator.com, and I promise you I will show you how to do this for free. It's a free 20-minute training video. Go watch it. And then if you want my help, follow the steps and go set up a free complimentary one-on-one 30-minute strategy call with me. I'll talk to you right here on Facebook. I'll talk to you on WhatsApp. I'll talk to you on Skype. I'll email you. I'll get you on the phone. I'll call you right on your mobile phone, okay? But right now, I got to go run some ads. I got to go check how much money I made last night when I was sleeping. And it's Friday, so thank God it's Friday, right? TGIF. Let's have a great Friday. Click on this ad right here above this video or in the description below or right on the video here. There might be a button. Go set up a strategy call. Let's get on the phone. I can put you in business in one day. One day, on one phone call, you're in business. You can make money starting today. Love to help you. Happy Friday. Let's go make some money, man. Let's make some money this weekend while I am having fun.